Luckily, the car managed to stop in time. The ground was too soft, so the car sank into it. His manager is getting frustrated. A truly perfect lifting mechanism. A failed warm-up. The car remained intact until the very last moment. A bucket of cold water is solving the problem of the deficiency. Blessed to have been able to work on this monster today. Applying technology helps increase work efficiency. The car crossed the river like a magic trick. The speed prevented the car from sinking. This tool makes splitting effortless.
Okay.
This staircase proves beauty and safety can exist together. That finish looks flawless, clean, and incredibly satisfying. Having you on this team is something we're genuinely proud of. He didn't just refuel, he invented a whole new way to do it. How are the artist's fingers affecting you? This giant poplar had to come down, especially with the kindergarten hidden right next to the forest. Huge pile of trusses getting dropped. You can feel the earth shake.
You can feel it.
You're doing an amazing job, and you're absolutely doing the right thing. That's some solid work there. That's a confident pilot. Narrow path, direction change, pure skill, driver owns tight space domination, easy.
Cái tùng có biết không không?
I love that moment when everything fits together perfectly, like it was meant to be. Precision becomes automatic with the right tool. The orbital automatic welding machine is a very simple to operate welding equipment. His team works together with a level of harmony that's truly impressive. That finish looks great. This might just be the cheesiest pizza ever created. This finish proves creativity beats budget every time. Have you ever seen this type of crystal tile before? These tiles turn walls into pure artwork.